An oil change is the simplest car maintenance task you can do, and also the easiest to mess up. Most drivers think they're doing it right, until their engine starts making a noise that sounds like a coffee grinder. In this video, I'll show you 10 oil change mistakes that are quietly killing your engine, how to avoid them, and how to make your oil changes last longer than ever. Mistake number 1, using the wrong oil viscosity. Oil isn't one size fits all. That number on the bottle, like 5W30 or 0W20, isn't random. It's the viscosity or thickness your engine needs to protect moving parts. Too thick, and it won't flow quickly at startup. Too thin, and it won't provide enough protection when the engine is hot. Always check your owner's manual, not just the bottle label at the store. Mistake number 2, ignoring oil specifications. Many modern engines require oil that meets specific manufacturer standards like Dexos VW502.00 or ACA A3/B4. Using oil that doesn't meet these standards can void warranties and reduce engine life. Mistake number 3 is overfilling the oil. More oil doesn't actually mean more protection. Overfilling can cause foaming, which reduces lubrication and honestly increases wear on your engine. So always use the dipstick and fill slowly, checking as you go. Mistake number 4 is underfilling or forgetting to check after a change. If you pour in less than required, you're really asking the engine to work harder with less lubrication. Always run the engine for about 30 seconds after an oil change, then shut it off and check the level again. Mistake number 5 is using the cheapest filter available. Your oil filter catches dirt, metal shavings, and carbon deposits. A low-quality filter may clog quickly or, even worse, let contaminants pass through. So, spend a few extra dollars for a trusted brand. It's honestly cheap insurance for your engine. Mistake number 6 is not replacing the crush washer. That tiny washer on the drain plug, it actually prevents leaks. If you reuse an old one, it can cause slow oil loss, which over months can lead to dangerously low levels. Mistake number 7 is forgetting to clean the drain plug area. If dirt or grit falls into the oil pan when you remove the plug, you're introducing abrasive particles directly into the oil system. Just a quick wipe before loosening the plug solves this. Mistake number 8 is waiting too long between changes. Even long-life oils have limits. If you only drive short trips, your oil ages faster because it never fully warms up to burn off condensation. So, change oil at least once a year, regardless of mileage. So, mistake number 9 is not tightening the filter and plug to spec. If you over-tighten, you can actually strip the threads or even crack some parts. But if you under-tighten, well, you'll end up with leaks. Always use a torque wrench if you can. The specs are right there in your manual. Mistake number 10 is forgetting to reset your oil change reminder. If your car thinks the oil is still old, it might go into maintenance mode earlier than needed, or you'll just get used to ignoring warning lights altogether, which is honestly pretty dangerous for other issues. Alright, quick pro tip recap. Always use the oil viscosity and spec your manual recommends. Measure carefully, don't just guess. Buy quality filters, keep your work area clean, and definitely change oil before it's too late. If you found at least one mistake you didn't know about before, then hey, this channel just saved your engine a ton of wear. And possibly saved you thousands in repairs. That's what we do here every week. So subscribe now so you don't miss the next set of tips that could add years to your car's life. Your oil is your engine's lifeblood. And honestly, every mistake in the oil change process is like sending a little bit of sand into that bloodstream. Do it right, and your car will thank you with years of smooth, trouble-free driving.